and good morning everyone. Welcome back, and you're watching English by Joseph ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your comments and your support. But the most important thing that I want to tell you all is that now onwards my videos will be a little bit late uploaded. Why? Because now my college is opening. Another thing, I have a baby also, and it's very difficult to upload video. The video is to make the video and upload it's a little bit difficult because I have a baby. Before I told you all before that, and it takes time also for teaching because she's not in sleep and she disturbs, so it's not possible for me to upload the video at the same 9 o'clock which I mentioned before, at 9 o'clock. So now it will take little bit later, so do not worry, and don't skip it and do not leave the channel. But I will try my level best that video should be uploaded within the same day but little bit late. So please cooperate with me. I need your cooperation and your support for this. Okay, thank you so much for your support and your cooperation. Okay, my dear friends, first thing I would like to tell you all, those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe, share and like my channel. And most of you all, I don't understand, you are watching me but still you do not comment. I need the response so that I should know that yes, what I'm teaching you are able to understand, and whatever I say in English you are not able to respond. So at least give me some response that I will know, that I should know that I am teaching well and you are able to understand me in a better way. So please do comment me that whatever you understand. If you have any queries, if you want to ask anything, please, you're most freely welcome for your comments. Okay, thank you so much. Now without wasting any time, I should begin my class. So before that, in my previous video I taught about sentences and what is a sentence, how you should form it, and even their structures of sentences, the way sentences is formed. Now here they are simple sentences. Today I got the topic. There are three types of sentences structures: simple, complex and compound. So today I am talking about the simple sentences. Even these sentences also we talk in a day-to-day life also. And I want you all, my dear friends, to practice it. It's what I mean to say is that I don't want to go deep into the language part. That is very clear. I want to make it very clear, but I want my main focus is to make you all speak fluently, to make you fluently in speaking. So I hope you are understanding me. And the simple sentences is that the way you form it, and it is mainly consists of verbs and a subject. A simple sentence mainly consists of a subject and a verb. Verb is action. In what action? That's the particular subject is, the work is being done. Okay, so let us begin. The first one is you are very kind. Now here you is a subject. It is talking about one person, one subject, and the work is what? Kind. Very kind. Kind is the action. In which action the verb, which action it is done? It's verb, that is kind. Now how do you say this in Hindi? आप बहुत दयालु हो. Very kind is दयालु. So you are very kind. Even you use these words in your day-to-day, in your work, in your routine, in everyday among your friends and friend circles. So next is you must come early tomorrow. Even the way when I am speaking, listen carefully, because English mainly depends on listening and speaking. I said this before also in my previous videos. I have been saying these things. English mainly depends on your listening and speaking. So I want you to be fluent in it. So for that you have to repeat after me. If you are listening to me, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it. And because you'll be getting my notifications, upcoming videos, and you need to repeat after me. Because when you will repeat, your words, your fluency will become more clear and you will be confident. So you must come early tomorrow. Now how will you say this in Hindi? आप हिंदी में बोलते हो तो उनको कल जल्दी आना चाहिए. So you, in English it is you must come early tomorrow. Now here I'm not going to tell you all. Now don't think that I am going to tell you about the subject and the verb, what is the subject and what is the verb. I am not going to tell you, my dear friend. You will tell me now in this which is the subject and the verb. Now this is your work to comment me. You comment me in the comment box and let me know which is the verb and the subject. At least I should know that yes, you are understanding me. You are able to understand my way of teaching and what I am teaching. So okay, this number 2 you will tell me now. Okay, let's move on to the next one. He loves to play football. He loves to play football. उसको फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है. Even you say this in Hindi. आप जनरली आप हिंदी में बोलोगे. He loves to play football. हिंदी में उसको फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है. I'm not going to tell you this. The subject and the verb you will tell me. Everyone loves her. Everyone loves her. सब उसको प्यार करते हैं. Next is I can run faster than him. I can run faster than him. हम उससे भी ज़्यादा तेज से दौड़ सकते हैं. I lost my watch yesterday. I lost my watch yesterday. कल मैंने अपनी घड़ी परसों खो दी थी. You are very lazy. You are very lazy. तुम बहुत आलसी हो. I will get myself a coffee. I will get myself a coffee. मैं अपने लिए कॉफी तैयार करने जा रही हूँ या बनाऊंगी या लेने जा रही हूँ. He is my best friend. वो मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है. He is my best friend. Now here he is it's used for a male person, he, and I will not tell you what is the subject here and what is the verb in this. Whatever it is, you will tell me in the comment box. I want your answers now. They killed him. उन लोगों ने उसको मार दिया. मतलब यहाँ पे they is something, they are more than one person. They killed him. No one will come after me. No one will come after me. Like now, like I told you about sentences. They are like commanding, declarative, interrogative, exclamatory. So here now you know no one will come after me. Here it's a command. You are giving an order that no one. You are giving a order that no one will come after me. कोई मेरे पीछे नहीं आएगा. This is what you say that in Hindi. No one will come after me. मेरे पीछे कोई नहीं आएगा. I don't love dogs. I don't love dogs. मुझे कुत्ते पसंद नहीं है. She likes to paint by herself. उसको painting अपने से करना पसंद है. She likes to paint by herself. Okay, next one. Before I move to the next one, my dear friend, I want your comments. I want to know that what is the verb here. I want your comments in the comment box, so please. So do comment me in the box. Next one, I move to the next one. My mom likes sweets. My mom likes sweets. Here, I'm not going to tell you the Hindi of this. Because my basic is I'm teaching English. And you will let me know what is the Hindi of this word. So that is also your work to do now. My mom likes sweets. I'm not going to tell you what will you do. You will say this in Hindi, that you will tell me. You will not come with me. You will not come with me. She cooks for you. She cooks for you. Today we will come. Today we will come. I will help you. I bought a new house. I bought a new house. These are for you. These are for you. I really need someone. I really need someone. She learned to be ready by herself. She learned to ready by herself. Learn to get, sorry. Forgot to write get. She learned to get ready by herself. We borrowed her car. We borrowed her car. I have not failed. I have not failed. I want to do something. I want to do something. They speak fluently. They speak fluently. I have got a sister. I have got a sister. My dear friends, here I didn't make you understand about the Hindi word. What is the Hindi of my mom likes sweets. You will not come with me. I only spoke it in English. But I want you to comment me in the comment box and let me know what is the Hindi of this and what is the verb here and what is the subject here. So I hope you like the video, and if there is any mistake or if anything else you want to know about it, please let me know in the comment box. At least one comment please, so that I know that yes, I am getting you all right, or you are getting me right, or you are able to understand me. You are able to understand me and whatever I am teaching. So my dear friends, thank you so much for watching English by Joseph Ma'am. Please do comment me. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.